Gates open, they're up and racing. Strike Force draws for your lead. Sophia's Fortune moving up on the outside by the rail is Italia. Prince Purdy down in fourth. Next in line just like it. Moving up by the rail is Sugar Daddy. Terry Toon third last. Second last Bombardier, while Prince Dugo is running at the tail of the field as they round towards the last 600. Italia in command by about a length and a half. Racing in second now, Prince Purdy, Sophia's Fortune. Sugar Daddy moving up once again is the favorite. Is Strike Force as they head towards the last 450. Sugar Daddy, a long shot, takes command over Italia. Is Strike Force moving up down on the inside. Terry Toon is on the outside as they turn for home. Is Strike Force moving up by the rail. Sugar Daddy is on the outside, moving up Italia together with Terry Toon. Is Strike Force, Sugar Daddy, Terry Toon moving up on the outside. Is Strike Force, Terry Toon is on the outside and leading the finish line. Terry Toon over Strike Force, Sugar Daddy, Italia, Bombardier for your Pentafecta.
Well,